If you want to enable or disable hold to start SOS call on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. Now we have to scroll down to our emergency SOS section. Open it up. Now find this option called and with hold and release. Let's activate it. Now, to activate our emergency SOS option, we have to hold our power button on the right side of our phone and our volume up or volume down button on the left side. It doesn't really matter. So now let's do this. Hold them simultaneously, keep on holding them, and as you see the scan down, and when it's gonna be up, oh, the sound is quite noisy. It means you're gonna call your emergency call. So to turn this option off, tap on the switch near it, and now it's off. It will be off. It will summon your power off menu, but nothing close to emergency call. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.